Not every reply deserves the same response, but most inboxes treat them all the same way. A not interested and a call me now sit in the exact same pile, waiting on you. Vyroq's intent rules read the intent behind every reply and route it automatically. Open intent rules and you'll see two groups. Booking intents up top. Book, reschedule, cancel, and other intents below for everything else. Notify, auto-reply, escalate, unsubscribe, and more. Each rule scans incoming replies for its keywords and fires the matching action instantly. A hot, yes, let's talk, gets escalated or booked in seconds. A cold, remove me triggers unsubscribe. No human ever has to sort it manually. For the booking intent specifically, booking policy lets you cap the forward booking window and require human approval before anything lands on the calendar. So the AI moves fast without moving recklessly. Every rule's priority decides who wins when signals overlap, and the active toggle lets you turn any rule on or off in real time. The result: leads land exactly where they belong the instant they reply. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.